Namaste from Dhananjay, and thank you for joining our continuing journey to higher wisdom. The quotation for this episode is on revolution. And the one quotation I have is very precious and meaningful, is this one by Victor Havel. Without a global revolution in the sphere of human consciousness, nothing will change for the better. So it is both optimistic and pessimistic at the same time. Pessimistic in the sense that he says nothing will change for the better. We will remain as we are. Perhaps even decline further, degenerate more. But there is a hope, and hope is a shift in human consciousness. Because, as I've explained elsewhere in my YouTube channel, that the real cause of all problems we face in the world, in our society today, is because we have not grown in the level of intelligence, consciousness. Our understanding of things has not changed much. We are driven by the same forces, even some evil forces. We are conditioned by the same limitation in our quality of thinking. So, the level of consciousness has not expanded, broadened. That is why he is pessimistic. Nothing will change. But if there is a shift in our consciousness, a revolution will take place and everything will change for the better. So without a global revolution in the sphere of human consciousness, nothing will change for the better. So let us strive to create that revolution in the field of human consciousness and change, because it's a matter of our survival. Best of luck to all of us, and we'll meet again soon. Namaskar.